I'm Mrs. Boike. I'm so happy to have you in my class this year. I hope that you've enjoyed your summer. I've thoroughly enjoyed mine. I always feel like it's way too short, so I'm sure you're feeling the same way. But I'm excited to be able to get back into school, and I'm excited to be able to see you guys. I know many of you I've had before, but some of you are new, and I know the 6th grade coming in, I'm having them this year too, so that they are all new coming to the building, so it's always fun to be able to get to know you, and I know we're going to have just a great year. I'm thankful for the school. I'm thankful for the leadership here and for those that I get to work with. It's just a joy to be able to be here. I wanted just to let you know I have a syllabus that I'm going to be emailing to you. It has the supplies that you'll need for each class, and it will tell you the grading scale and some expectations that I have. Also where to reach, like it will have my email to reach me and the school phone number that you can call at any time, and they'll leave a message for me and I'll get back with you if you ever have any questions. The best way probably is to just email me, and I'll make sure to look at those each day. So if you have any questions, that you can email me. Also on RenWeb, it's a great tool. You're able to check on RenWeb each day to see what the homework is. Sometimes it changes throughout the week because of maybe, you know, some chapter went a little quicker or slower than I was anticipating, so I'll have to change the plans. But just for you to be able to keep in touch and be able to check in even on grades for your students, and be able to see how they're doing in the class. And then if you have any questions, you can just ask me. But that's a really helpful tool. So I just wanted to say that I'm excited for you guys to come, and if any of you will be at the open house, I'll see you then, and we'll have actually a hard copy of the syllabus there. So I hope you guys have a good day, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.